Let's have a look at system logging in Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Since 2007, every version of Red Hat has used the rsyslogd service to record system activity. The current version, Red Hat 8, is no exception. A simple system control status rsyslog shows that the service is active and running by default. The file that controls rsyslog is etc/rsyslog.conf. Each rule has a facility that the log is created for, the severity of the message to be logged, and the destination of where the log should be stored. Any extra snap-in files should be located in etc/rsyslog.d. By default, this directory exists, but is empty. The default log location for rsyslog is var/log. A quick listing shows that there is extensive logging by default, with each log being large and relatively esoteric. Reading logs in this way is usually done via grep, as reading the actual logs is cumbersome and very time-consuming. The systemd journald service is available and enabled by default on Red Hat 7 and up. This service makes logs much more accessible and messages easier to find. It is the mechanism behind the system control status command, which is one of the most common ways to check the status of any service. The system journal is written to run/log/journal/uuid. The configuration file is found at etc/systemd/journal.conf. By default, journald is automatically cleared on system reboot, but simply changing the storage parameter in journal.conf to persistent will preserve journals across reboots. Built into the journald service is the journal control command, which offers a very powerful filtering system so that the user can find specific information quickly and easily. For example, it is possible to search using journal control to find messages only about a specific service, such as Network Manager. Combining multiple filters is even more powerful. So using journal control tacp error, tacu network manager.service shows only errors that have been encountered with Network Manager, making it much easier to filter through logs and find the relevant information. Journal control is a very powerful command and well worth learning about in detail. Man journal control is a great place to start. Logging information is essential for troubleshooting, but keeping logs forever may not be ideal, particularly if disk space is a consideration. The log rotate utility is automatically enabled in Red Hat 8, which discards logs after 5 weeks by default. Log rotate is controlled by etc/logrotate.conf. Options in this file include rotating logs weekly, how many weeks to keep backlogs, whether to compress the files, and more. Notice it also designates a location for custom log rotate schedules for RPM packages. By default, this is found in the etc/logrotate.d directory. Log rotate is run daily via Anacron. This can be easily seen by visiting etc/cron.daily and viewing the log rotate file. As with any task assigned to cron.daily, this will be performed at some point throughout the day when system resources are not too busy. Thanks for watching.